This drink melts away wrinkles and years. 1. Antioxidant rich. Green tea fights free radicals that cause skin aging. 2. Vitamin C boost. Citrus fruits in drinks promote collagen production. 3. Omega-3 magic. Chia seeds in smoothies improve skin elasticity. 4. Anti-inflammatory. Turmeric in drinks reduces inflammation and skin redness. 5. Detox delight. Beetroot juice aids in body detoxification, promoting healthy skin. 6. Aloe vera wonder. Aloe vera juice improves skin firmness and keeps it hydrated. 7. Cocoa love. Dark chocolate milkshake is rich in flavonoids, improving skin texture. 8. Berry blast. Berries are packed with antioxidants, promoting youthful skin. 9. Spinach surprise. Spinach juice is rich in antioxidants and vitamins A, C, E. 10. Carrot charm. Carrot juice is high in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that fights aging. 11. Tomato twist. Tomato juice is high in lycopene, which protects skin from sun damage.